We all have 24 hours in a day, but have you ever noticed that hard work alone isn't enough to get you where you want to be? You can push and grind all you want, but if your energy isn't aligned with your desires, you might just feel like you're running in circles. It's not just about the effort, it's about aligning your energy, beliefs, and actions with what you truly want. Today, I want to share how the universe is about to restore all your wasted years and how you can activate your receiving mode. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract opportunities effortlessly while others struggle? It's not just because they work harder than you do. The difference lies in the alignment of their energies. When your energy is in tune with what you want, you send out a clear signal to the universe. Imagine trying to tune into a radio station, but the frequency isn't quite right. No matter how high you turn up the volume, the static will keep interrupting the sound. This is exactly what happens when your energy and desires are misaligned. You need clarity. You need to be tuned into the right frequency to receive the blessings that are already coming your way. Take a moment today to ask yourself, is my energy aligned with what I truly want? It's not enough to desire something. You have to actively receive it. Many of us are unconsciously blocking what the universe is trying to give us. The key to unlocking the blessings meant for you is to stay in the receiving mode. How do you do this? You start by shifting from a state of wanting to a state of allowing. When you desperately want something, you often create resistance. But when you allow yourself to believe that it's already on its way, you open the door for those blessings to flow to you. Here are 5 powerful affirmations to repeat throughout the day that will help you activate and stay in the receiving mode. I am open and ready to receive all the good the universe has in store for me. Everything I desire is making its way to me in divine timing. I am worthy of the success and happiness coming my way. I trust the process and allow the universe to guide me. Abundance flows to me effortlessly and continuously. Say these affirmations out loud, write them down, and let them seep into your subconscious. Let's dive into the science of deliberate creation. Your thoughts and feelings are powerful magnets. The law of attraction teaches us that what we focus on, we attract. However, it's not just about thinking positively. It's about feeling that positivity deep within your soul. That's the missing link for many. When your feelings, thoughts, beliefs, and actions are all aligned with what you need, you create a powerful force. It's like planting a seed in fertile soil, giving it sunlight, water, and care, knowing that it will grow. But if you plant that seed in doubt or negativity, it will never bloom. Deliberate creation requires mindfulness. It's about taking control of your mental and emotional state and consciously aligning them with your desires. The universe is always listening and responding to the energy you are sending out. Make sure the signal you are sending is clear and strong. To truly manifest and allow the universe to restore what has been lost or wasted, you must align your thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and actions. If you say you want success, but deep down you don't believe you deserve it, you are sending mixed messages. Your actions must reflect the life you are trying to create. Act as if what you want is already yours. Walk with that confidence that the universe is working in your favor. If your belief is that you are worthy, Your thoughts will support that belief, and your actions will follow. The universe has no choice but to respond to that alignment by restoring what was lost and delivering what is meant for you. Think of your journey as a dance with the universe. Every step you take, every belief you hold is part of that rhythm. When your steps match that beat, everything flows naturally. The universe is always ready to give you the desires of your heart, but you have to meet it halfway. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that the universe is always working behind the scenes to bring you exactly what you need, even if it feels like you wasted years or missed out on opportunities. It's never too late. Your comeback is always stronger than your setback. Align your energy, stay in the receiving mode, and trust that the universe is about to restore all that was lost. Remember to say your affirmations, trust in divine timing, and believe that you are worthy of everything good that's coming your way. The universe is abundant and it's ready to pour blessings into your life. If this message resonated with you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more empowering content. Let's continue this journey together because your best years are still ahead of you. You've got this.